Welcome to Bunny's Kitchen. It's been 7 years since I started my YouTube channel, but I know I've only uploaded 3 videos and it's been a very long time. So right now I decided to revive my YouTube channel. For the first dish today, we are going to make mutton curry. Kari Kambing Istimewa. Correct, Kak?
Correct.
Okay, these are all the ingredients. Kakak, come, let's explain the ingredients for today. Okay. Kakak, what do we have? We have cinnamon stick.
Yes.
Then we have cloves, cardamon, and star anise. Okay, little bit only lah. Sikit saja.
Yes,
Kak,
correct.
baik?
Baik.
Sorry lah, my kakak don't want to show her face. She malu lah, shy sikit lah. So she will show her lovely hand only, okay? And then we do have over here 1 onion, thinly sliced. Okay, what is that, kakak? Berapa
1
tomato? Okay, 1
Cut for
tomato.
curry.
Cut for curry, quartered.
Yes.
Okay, then
1 potato.
it is cut into wedges.
Yes.
A little bit of curry leaves.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we have pre-cooked our mutton. Okay, mutton usually takes a long time to cook. So we usually like to cook it up in the pressure cooker.
Yes,
I've cooked it up with green chili, tumeric powder. I've separated the mutton and the stock. Okay, the stock, we are going to add it a little bit to the curry. The remaining stock is going to be used for another dish. Well, right now all of us are in budget. I'm sure if one ingredient can do 2 dishes, we're very happy, right?
Yes.
So that's what we're going to do, right, kakak?
Correct.
Okay. Then we right now have chili powder and meat curry powder. Okay, for chili powder, we will be using about 2 tablespoons.
Correct.
Meat curry powder berapa, kak?
1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon and salt for taste.
Yes.
Okay, let's go to cook, huh? Okay, kakak, let's masak. Okay, we pour about 1 tablespoon of oil to a heated pot. Okay. I'm using less oil because we are health conscious. At the same time, mutton gives out a lot of oil. Okay. Once the oil has heated up, we add in the cinnamon stick and all the aromatics. Come on, Kak, add in the cinnamon stick dan semua aromatic. We wait for the aromatics to splatter a little. Okay, we are currently cooking in high flame. Later we'll reduce the flame. Okay, I can already smell the aromatics. Okay, next, what do we add in, Kak?
Add onion.
Okay, come, Kak, add in the onion. Okay, we need to cook the onion till it is soft and slightly brown. To expedite the process, we are going to add a pinch of salt. Okay, now we shall wait for the onion to brown. Okay, we have added in the curry leaf to the browned onions. Okay. Kak, stir it a bit. Okay, let the curry leaf cook a little. Then we're going to add in the tomatoes, right?
Correct.
Okay, I can smell the curry leaf. Baiknya. Itu. Smell lah. Nice.
Yeah, nice.
Nice. Okay. Kakak, time to add in the tomato lah, Kak.
Okay, now take tomato.
Okay.
Take
Stir it a little bit.
Let the tomato cook.
Okay. Okay, the tomatoes have been half cooked. Okay, now we have added in the potato to the stir-fried onions, tomatoes, the aromatics and the curry leaf lah. After this, what do we need to add, Kakak?
We add the mutton.
Mutton. Okay, Kakak, please take the mutton so that we can add it. And can we add in a little bit of the stock as well? Okay, you can hear the sizzling sound, huh? Okay. Okay, now we are going to add in 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Okay. And 1 tablespoon of meat curry powder. Okay. Kakak will stir it together. Okay lah, a lot of energy needed ke to mix the bone besar lah sekarang.
Yeah.
Okay, so
But little nice.
I talk in Malay, my kakak talk in English. Apa siap? Kakak, you from which country?
Indonesian country.
Indonesia. Indonesia. Tapi kakak now learning English ya. So, she's talking more in English. Okay, so sekarang kakak, what else must we add?
We adding in the water.
Oh, water. Okay, berapa? About how much she's adding? Kakak adding about 500 ml of water. Okay, it'll look like it's a lot of water, but don't worry, once it's cooked, it is sufficient. Okay, and we also need to add salt. Salt to taste. It depends. You know, some family like 1 teaspoon, some 2 teaspoon. So we're not going to give measurements for this. Okay, 1 final stir. Okay, now we close and cook the mutton curry. We will show you how it's been done. Maybe this will take about 30 to 40 minutes. Once the curry is done, we will take you another photo for you. Okay, bye bye for now.